Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Dear students, today we will be starting with the first lesson of our geography, our environment. Definition: the term environment comes from the French word environ, which means to surround. It refers to all the external conditions in which an organism lives. Thus, environment are the external condition in which all the possible forms of life exist. Environment can be broadly classified into two types: natural environment and human environment. Natural environment, as the name itself suggests, environment created by the nature or the environment provided by the nature. Human environment, also as the name suggests, the environment created by the humans to satisfy its various needs. Natural environment includes physical environment and biological environment. Physical environment comprises of abiotic, that is non-living components like land, water and air. Biological environment comprises of biotic, that is living components like human being, plants, animals and microbial organism. Human environment is formed by human beings and his creations such as roads, bridges, etc. and social, economic, political and other conditions in which he lives. Interdependence of biotic and abiotic components. Biological environment depends upon physical environments for its various needs. In turn, physical environment sustains, supports biological environment. Also, plants and animals depend upon each other for shade, support and food. Domains of the environment. There are four main domains of the environment. First, lithosphere. Second, hydrosphere. Third, atmosphere. Fourth, biosphere. First, lithosphere. It is the outermost solid layer of the earth consisting of rock material and soil. It is also known as the crust of the earth. The following is the image of the lithosphere layer of the environment. Important features of lithosphere are: it extends over the continents as well as the ocean basins. Second, about 71% of the total area of lithosphere is covered with water and remaining 29% by the land. Third, its topmost layer consists of variety of useful rocks and minerals. It also provides us with land for various uses and soil for agriculture. Second important domain of the environment is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of all the forms of water on our earth, such as oceans, lakes, seas, rivers, streams, waterfalls, glaciers, ice and snow, water vapors in the air. Important features of hydrosphere are: the rivers and oceans are sources of food and minerals. Second, hydrosphere also allows transportation on their surfaces. Third, besides, we need water for domestic use, farmers need water for their crops, and industries need water for manufacturing purposes. The following is the image of the hydrosphere layer of the environment, in which we can see various forms of water available on the earth surface. The following is the image of the Earth's atmosphere, in which we find different types of gases, and also the layer of the atmosphere is divided into various parts, which we will be doing in the next class. Third domain of the environment is atmosphere. The word atmosphere is derived from the Greek word atmos, which means vapor, and sapphire, which means sphere. So, the term atmosphere means the sphere in which we find various vapors. Important features of atmosphere are: it is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Second, it is a mixture of different gases. As we all know that different types of gases, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, are found in this layer itself. It protects us from harmful solar radiations such as UV rays and scorching heat of the sun. These are the important features of the atmosphere. Fourth main domain of the environment is biosphere. Biosphere is the narrow contact zone of land, air and water, where all living organisms exist. Important features of biosphere are: it makes the earth a unique planet. As we all know, earth is called a unique planet because it is on the planet earth only where the life is possible. It is made up of distinct, that is different zones called ecosystem, and it consists of plant and animal kingdom. The following is the image of the biosphere. As we can see in the image itself, this biosphere is comprising of all the three previous layers of the environment: lithosphere, atmosphere and the hydrosphere. Another important feature of biosphere is it is small in size, but about 15 lakh different species of organisms live in it. Also, it provides nutrients and resources to all the living organisms. Next is human environment. As we all know, that is, human environment means the environment created by the humans to satisfy its various needs. So, the planet Earth is dominated by humans, as we all know, because humans keep on making changes in its surrounding to satisfy its need. So, the humans are an important part of the environment. To begin with, earlier primitive man used to live in the dense forest and also in the harmony with the environment. That is, the primitive man was satisfied by living in the forest and in peace and harmony without deteriorating the environment. The primitive man was happy. But as the process moved on, that is, as the man progressed, they started processing the raw materials available in the environment, which means the human being started using the raw materials provided in the environment to satisfy his various needs, due to which industrial revolution took place, transport and communication facilities improved, and many more. But all these changes in the environment were due to human activities. That is, they were due to human activities, means they were due to the action of human beings. That is, because of the human beings, they started deteriorating the environment. And with the passage of time, heartless activities were carried out which had its impact on the environment. For example, a very common example is deforestation. People started cutting down the trees to live down a settled life, to get the land for the agriculture and also for constructing buildings. Again, as we can see the examples like cutting of the forest, pollution, transport, mining, etc. All these affected our weather conditions. These all conditions were due to the passage of the time. The result of all these activities were agriculture lands are reducing, pollution has increased, polar caps are melting, and also plants and animals have gone extinct. Thus, we need to be sensitive and aware of the environmental problems and also not destroy our environment any more. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay healthy.